Welcome! If you want to enable replies to your Instagram stories using your PC, you're in the right place. With the latest update, Instagram now makes it easy to control who can reply to your stories directly from your browser. Let's walk through the simple steps to get this set up. First, open your preferred browser and head over to Instagram.com. Log into your account if you haven't already. Once you're in, take a look at the left side of your screen. Here, you'll see a menu with several icons. Find the More icon. It usually looks like 3 horizontal lines or dots and click on it. This will open up additional options for your account. Next, from the menu that appears, select Settings. This will take you to a new page where you can manage all your Instagram preferences. In the Settings menu, look for an option called Message and Story Replies. Click on it to access your messaging and story reply controls. Now, you'll see a section specifically for story replies. Click on this option. Here, you can decide who's allowed to reply to your stories. If you want only your followers to be able to reply, select the Followers option. This setting ensures that only people who follow you can respond to your stories, giving you more control over your interactions and privacy. Once you've made your choice, your new settings are applied instantly. That's it. You've successfully enabled replies to your Instagram stories from your PC. Now your followers can react and respond to your stories just like they would on the mobile app. If you ever want to change who can reply, just repeat these steps and select a different option. This update is a great way to manage your engagement and make your Instagram experience more interactive, all from the comfort of your computer. Thanks for tuning in. If you found this guide helpful, consider sharing it with friends who might need a hand with their Instagram settings. Enjoy connecting with your followers and making the most of your stories.